In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple text shake effect inside DaVinci Resolve. Start by selecting your text clip on the timeline. Then, switch over to the Fusion page. In the node editor, add a Text Plus node. To do that, press Shift and Space, type in Text Plus, connect it to the Media Out node so it displays in your viewer. With the Text Plus node selected, open the inspector and type in your text. Next, go to the Shading tab. Right-click on the Offset X control, choose Modify With, and then select Shake. Now switch over to the Modifiers tab. Here, adjust the smoothness to 0.1 and set the maximum value to 0.1 as well. This keeps the shake subtle and more natural. Once that's done, go back to the Tools tab. Open the Settings panel, enable Motion Blur, and set the shutter angle to 360 degrees. This helps smooth out the motion for a more realistic result. And that's it! You've now added a dynamic shake effect to your text inside DaVinci Resolve.